Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this balsamic glazed salmon. Guys, this salmon is packed full of amazing flavor and that glaze just makes everything taste so good. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, guys, do not forget to like and share this video, leave comments in the comment section down below, and subscribe to my channel. So to make this recipe, the first thing you'll need would be your salmon, of course. So I'm going to be seasoning my salmon with some salt, some freshly cracked black pepper because I love me my black pepper. So tons of black pepper is going on there. Some garlic powder, paprika for some nice spicy kick and good color, and some rosemary. So I'm gonna take my time and massage all the spices into my fish, flip it over, add the same seasoning to the other side, and make sure that I got as much seasoning as possible to the sides of my fish. And once I do that, I'm gonna set it aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. So while that is marinating, I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the ingredients. So you'll need to have some balsamic vinegar, honey, sweet soy sauce, Dijon mustard, garlic, jalapeño, butter, and some green onions. So heading over to the stove, I added some cooking oil to my heated pan and I used that to cook my salmon. For the size of salmon that I have today, I cooked it for 4 minutes on each side. But if you were cooking really thin salmon fillets, maybe 3 minutes on each side would do. But for me, a total of 8 minutes was all that I needed. So once my salmon was cooked, I cleaned out my pan a little bit and then I added my butter to the pan. So using that butter, I sauteed my garlic and my jalapeno for around about 1 minute just to cook out that raw garlic flavor. And once my garlic was cooked, I went ahead and added the rest of the ingredients. So I started with my balsamic vinegar, my sweet soy sauce, my Dijon mustard, and my honey. And I gave that a really good mix just to make sure everything was as combined as possible. And I let it simmer on medium to low heat for about 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, I added my green onions and put my salmon back into the pan just to get it heated up again and give time for that salmon to absorb some of that beautiful glaze. Guys, I'm telling you, this glaze was so delicious. The flavor is amazing. You definitely need to try this one. So I added some extra parsley just to make things look prettier, and we were done. Done. It took less than 20 minutes to whip this whole thing up. So this is what it looks like in the end. I was served up with some plantain and some steamed rice, and guys, I cannot wait to dig into this one. I added some extra parsley on top of it, of course, just for extra color, and I dug right in. Look at how moist that salmon is. Perfectly cooked, and that glaze, it tastes amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification button as well so you know when I post new videos. And guys, like and share this video and leave comments in the comment section down below. I love you all. See you guys in the next video.